This is a quick video to cover the recent announcement of the Raspberry Pi 5. On the 28th of September 2023, Eben Upton announced the new Raspberry Pi 5. Availability is expected towards the end of October 2023. Pre-orders and priority pre-orders for some groups are now open. New product performance is 2 to 3 times that of the Raspberry Pi 4. A quick look at what the board looks like. Once we have a physical board, we will review this in depth. The Raspberry Pi 5 specifications. 2.4 GHz quad-core 64-bit ARM V8 Cortex A76 CPU, Video Core V7 GPU, dual 4K P60 HDMI display output, 4K P60 HEVC decoder, dual band 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5 and Bluetooth Low Energy, high-speed microSD card interface with SDR104 mode support, Gigabit Ethernet, PoE Plus support, which requires a new PoE Plus hat, 2 4-lane MIPI camera/display transceivers, PCIe 2x1 interface, Raspberry Pi standard 40-pin GPIO header, a real-time clock, a power button, 2 USB 3 ports supporting 5 gigabits per second, 2 USB 2 ports. Pi 5 to Pi 4 comparison. The CPU and GPU are 2 to 3 times faster. The Pi 5 supports 4K P60 on both HDMI outputs. The Pi 4 supported one. The support for Vulkan 1.2, the Pi 4 supported Vulkan 1. The memory options are 4 or 8 GB, no 1 or 2 GB option, and the memory is double the speed. The microSD card slot supports SDR104, which supports faster speeds. M.2 NVMe SD support via a hat. The USB 3 ports support 5 gigabits per second mode. 2 4-lane MIPI camera display ports allowing 2 cameras or displays or a combination. PCIe 2x1 interface. 5V 4A via USB-C. The Pi 4 was limited to 3 amps. And a power button. What's worse? The Pi 5 runs much warmer and will need an active cooler or case with a fan. Pi 5 is power hungry. A USB-C power supply capable of providing 5V at 4 amps is required. There is no 4-pole stereo jack. Audio output is via HDMI or USB. The Ethernet and USB ports are now flipped around, meaning that the Pi 5 will not fit Pi 4 cases. The Pi 5 is a great improvement on the Pi 4, up to 2 to 3 times better performance in many areas. Higher power requirements and heat mean new power supplies and other accessories will be required. Stock isn't available until the end of October 2023, so reviews are only available from a select group of people who have access to pre-release devices. We will review the Pi 5 as soon as possible after general release. We hope that you found this first look at the Pi 5 useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more videos like this.